distinguished keynote speaker, His Excellency Governor Peter Obi, and also the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the last presidential elections. Chairman of Council and members of Board of Trustees, President, faculty, students of the American University of Nigeria, my dear wife, Mrs. Amina Abubakar, the representative of His Royal Highness, the Lamido of Adamawa, Danlawal Adamawa, and other representatives present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense pride and profound gratitude that I stand before you today on this special occasion of Founders' Day to celebrate not only my birthday, but more importantly, milestone in our journey, the 20th anniversary of the American University of Nigeria. This annual event, the Founders' Day, has always served as a time for reflection, progress, review, and a celebration of the vision that sparked the inception of these esteemed institutions. Over the years, we have listened to a number of keynote speakers, and I believe the university should be able to have a compendium of those speeches because they will guide the future of this institution. As we gather here today, I am reminded of the significance of this day. It serves as a philosophical beam that guides the trajectory of our university in both short and long term. It is a moment to recognize the dedication and commitment of everyone who has contributed to this extraordinary journey, a journey that began 2 decades ago with a dream that has since blossomed into a vibrant educational hub, encompassing 7 schools and offering 30 diverse degree programs. Over the years, we have witnessed a transformation that is not just physical in nature, but also deeply impactful in the lives we have touched, human lives. Each achievement we celebrate today reflects the extraordinary talent, unwavering determination, and passion of our remarkable faculty, diligent staff, inspired students, and supportive Board of Trustees. Together, we have created a haven for education, culture, community, natural and critical thinkers, and compassionate leaders poised to shape the future of our society and country. Therefore, on this special occasion, I would like to take a moment to honor the visionary leadership of our late pioneer, chairman of the AUN board, Alhaji Ahmed Joda. Alhaji Joda was not just a leader, he was a beacon of wisdom and integrity who played a crucial role in leading the board of this institution. His unwavering commitment to education and development in Nigeria was instrumental in shaping the foundations of AUN. We carry his legacy with us as we continue to pave the path he placed on us. Our deep gratitude goes to Mr. Joda for his exceptional contributions and indelible mark he left on this university. Additionally, I want to express our profound gratitude to the American University of Washington, D.C. in general, but more specifically to a co-visionary of this university, my friend and associate, late Professor Robert Pastor, who provided in partnership with his colleague, Emeritus Dean of Louis Goodman of the School of International Affairs, American University, all the intellectual foundation for setting up this university. Both of these eminent personalities have given the AUN board more than their best, and we remain grateful to them. While we have immortalized the names of some of these amazing individuals, the AUN still owes a debt of specific recognition that commemorates the contribution of all the foundational members of the university's board. Notwithstanding this, however, let me take this opportunity of AUN's 20th anniversary to convey our gratitude to all the previous members of the Board of Trustees who have served AUN over the last 20 years. Their dedication, foresight, and steadfast leadership have guided this university through periods of challenges and triumphs. Each of them has played a vital role in nurturing AUN from its infancy to the thriving institution it is today. Their collective insights, brilliant governance, and unwavering support have been pivotal in our growth and success. As we celebrate our past, however, we must also recognize that our journey is far from complete. For the American University of Nigeria, this 20th anniversary is truly just the beginning. The seeds we planted in 2004 do not have a used by date. They carry no expiry date. Universities are not static entities. They endure and continuously reinvent themselves, adapting to the ever-evolving needs and challenges of society. Let me now begin to say, how can we endure in the future? How can we ensure that AUN remains a beacon of innovation and service moving forward?